Los Angeles is such an exciting and incredible place to live and work. You can go from the city up to the mountains. There's the last bit of winter snow over there. And we are working on just doing a bit of maintenance for our double Pondless waterfall project paradise here in Mountaingate. So we just came back to pressure wash and drain the water, clean things out, make sure the plants are looking good. Added a couple little plants down in here. This is such a tranquil sound. The landscaping's really grown in over the years here. Really beautiful. The team are just wrapping up on our little small pondless waterfall. We're doing a really nice clean out of our most visible gravel. Look how lush it is here. Whew. Cute little pondless waterfall here. Our plantings are really filled in, quite lush, blended in with the existing plantings as well. So that's what's happening here today as we kind of work to get everything looking great on this property here. Epic and beautiful dreamscape that has come true.